Hello and welcome, and in this video I am going to be unboxing the Redragon Asura gaming keyboard. So as you can see, this is what the keyboard looks like. It says high speed, high control and high response, and it's got some highlights over here that I'll just tell you. So it has 26 N key rollover, 12 multimedia keys, 8 programmable keys. It offers 7 LED backlight options. Of course the WASD and the up, down, left, right are swappable. It has a Winkey Lock, adjustment speed, the cable that connects it, it's not a wireless thing, it's a wired keyboard, so it has a braided cable and it has a gold plated USB connector. Okay, so let's see what's on the back. So on the back they've actually showed you the different colors: red, green, dark blue, yellow, light blue, purple, white, and of course no light. So there's seven different color options, and there's actually a diagram of the different buttons over here. So on the side you can see it's got these programmable keys on the side, and of course you have different buttons on the top also, like a macro recording function. So all in all it looks pretty good. Let's just go ahead and open this up. Open it up. So when you open it up, the keyboard itself comes packed in bubble wrap, and it has this rubber thing on foam on the side to protect it. The cable is at the back over here, so let's just take that out. And there's also a user manual that comes, so that's the user manual. And there you go. So that is what the keyboard looks like. They are at the bottom, it does have these height adjustable straps, so you can put it down. The cable, as I said, it's a braided cable, so it's pretty strong, shouldn't snap very easily. And of course there's a gold plated USB connector. So there you go. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the Redragon Asura gaming keyboard. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.